Okay, so let's proceed with power in AC circuits. So remember, meron tayo nitong formula for impedance Z equal to resistance plus JX, which is ito yung reactance. So, i-translate natin sa power. Rectangular form. So, in rectangular form, power is equal to real power plus reactive power. So, ito, sige, lagyan natin ng arrow. So, this one is yung reactive power. And this is imaginary. So, ito naman, itong power P is the real power, or you can call it as average power, o kaya pwede ring true power. So, this one is, gaya nga ng sinabi, kung ito ay imaginary, ito naman yung real. And then, this one is called the complex power. So, dito, yung power natin, tinawag siyang complex power because it consists of the real and imaginary power. So, when you say real power, ito yung power na dissipated ng resistors. So, you can think of it as power ng resistor. And itong reactive power is yung mga imaginary or power na dissipated by our reactive components L and C, yung X, di ba? So, meron tayong real part, imaginary part. So, real power plus the reactive power equals the complex power. If you're going to write it in polar form, so yung ating complex power S ay equal sa yung magnitude S, apparent power, bar theta. So, this one is called the apparent power. Kapag magnitude lang yung tinutukoy, apparent power. Itong theta ay equal sa theta V minus theta I. So, yung angle ng voltage minus angle ng current. Okay? So, ano-ano yung mga units ng ating power? So, again, no, real power, pwede mong isipin na ito yung power dissipated by the resistors. Reactive power, ito yung power sa inductor at capacitor. Tapos, pag pinagsama mo, yun yung complex power. Kapag naka-vector form, complex power. Itong S na ito, kapag magnitude lang, yun yung apparent power. So, ano-ano yung mga units nila? So, when you say real power, ito yung totoong power na nadi-dissipate, ito yung naka-watts. Okay? Next, yung reactive power, ang unit niya ay vars. Ang complex power naman is VA, volt ampere. So, ito yung mga units ng ating mga power sa AC circuits. Okay? So, let's draw itong ating power triangle. So, we have real power P at ito yung imaginary or reactive power. And this is our complex power S. Sige. Okay. So, draw natin yan. So, itong angle na to, ito yung theta. So, based from this power triangle, so we have real power P equal to yung hypotenuse S times cosine theta. And then, kung hinahanap naman natin yung reactive power Q, it is equal to S sine theta. Remember, diba? Adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent hypotenuse, so cosine yon. Pag naman sine, hindi ba opposite? Ang opposite yung Q, diba? Opposite over hypotenuse, opposite hypotenuse, sine theta. Okay? So, ano yung cosine theta na yan? Yung cosine theta is called the power factor. Yung sine theta is called the reactive factor. Itong power factor can never exceed 1. So, lagi lang yan from 0 to 1. Okay? If we're going to express power in terms of yung voltage at current, so, kunwari, hindi na kasya, so, dito tayo. Plus, JQ. So, pwede din natin siyang i-express as VRMS, IRMS, so, voltage times current, cosine, theta plus JQ. J times VRMS times IRMS sine theta, wherein theta is yung angle sa voltage minus angle sa current.